The duck. Ducks are animals that come from the Anatidae family. This animal belongs to the type of aquatic or aquatic bird. There are various types of different duck species which are grouped based on their diet, habitat, and morphological form. Can be found in both fresh water and seawater. Ducks or ducks have a smaller body size compared to geese. It has a wide and curved beak which is very suitable for use by aquatic birds. This beak serves to filter the food in the mud. Ducks usually eat aquatic plants, small fish, insects, small amphibians, and also worms. As a type of aquatic bird, ducks can generally fly and also dive. There are some types of ducks that can't fly. This type of duck generally has a larger body shape with small wings. Instead, they have legs that are more supportive of their survival in the water. Ducks also have many natural predators such as crocodiles, pikes, and peregrine falcons. Duck chicks are more vulnerable to prey because they are still very vulnerable and cannot defend themselves from predators. Several types of ducks have also been kept by humans for a long time. China is believed to be the largest duck producer in the world. The duck population is still well maintained thanks to many who keep it for consumption needs. However, there are also several types of ducks whose population has started to become scarce. Duck is a unique aquatic bird that we must protect its sustainability.